Greeting everybody. So your last assignment in this course is going to be a group project, and the purpose of this recording is to show you how to access your group folders and how to save the file into your group folder so that your team members can see it. So let me go ahead and share my screen. And now notice that in the left panel you have a directory structure and you've got shared and personal. Any files, discoveries and displays that are saved in the personal folder are only visible to you and the system and application administrators. They are not visible to your classmates. So to make sure that your classmates, your teammates can access the folder, what I did was I created a separate folder in a shared area for each team. Now, for the purpose of this demo, let's assume that I'm a student taking the Data 610 class in the spring, and it's going to be session 9041, just for the purpose of this demo. So this is how I need to access my group folder. I'm going to click on Shared. I'm going to click on a plus sign to expand the folder, and I'm going to look for the folder for my session. So here it is. Now what I need to do is I need to click on the plus sign to expand the folder for my session, and I'm going to see the groups that I am enrolled in. So this is my folder, right? This is my team folder, and at the moment there are no files in there. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you how to share the file with the team. What you need to do is, let's go back to the personal area. Now, notice that the file has an ellipsis over here. What you need to do is you need to click on ellipsis to open up the menu, and we're going to select Move from the menu. There we go. And right now we need to select the folder where we're moving the file, which is your shared folder. I have to click on the shared. Then I need to find the folder for my session. Here it is. Now I need to click on the plus sign, and I'm going to select my group. This is my group, right? And I'm going to click Move. Now, what I want you to pay attention to is that you want to keep this Inherit checkbox checked. And because I want the permissions of my file to inherit the permissions from my folder. In other words, I want only my team members access the files in the folder, and I want to make sure that my teammates in fact can access the folder. I don't want to mess up these permissions. So let's go ahead and click OK. Now the file disappears in your personal area, and you need to go back to your folder. So let me show you once again how to do that. You're going to click on the plus sign next to Share to expand the folder. Now you're going to find a folder for your team. So here is a folder for your session. Click to expand, and then select the folder for your team. And here is the file that I just copied. Your teammates should be able to see the file. Something very important to keep in mind is that if you share the discovery with your team, you also need to share the data used for your discovery. Otherwise, your teammates will not be able to open up the discovery. They're going to get an error message when they open the discovery if you don't have permission to access this data. Now what I'm going to do is, suppose that I'm done sharing the file, I'm going to show you how to unshare it. You need to do is you need to click on ellipsis here, and you need to click on Move, and I'm going to select Personal. There we go. Move. Now I'm going to receive a warning. That's not an error message, it's a warning. It means that once I unshare the file, my teammates will no longer be able to see it. In addition, if I have discovery or display that uses data, my teammates won't be able to open the discoveries and displays anymore. Well, in this case, let's click OK, because that's what I really want to do. And now my file is going to appear in the personal area again. There we go, personal. Something else to keep in mind is that to be able to share your file with the classmates, the file needs to be closed. So this is what's going to happen right now is, let me go ahead and open the file just to demonstrate an error message that you may receive if the file is not closed. So let me open the file here. It is open right now. And on purpose, I'm not going to close it, but instead, I'm going to go back to the landing page. And to go back to the landing page, you can just click on the logo. So here I am at the landing page. And now, let me see what happens if I try to share my file. I'm going to click on Move. And there we go. I got an error message. The error message means that I have my file open. I have to close my file before it can be moved. Alright, now let me go over some business rules. Because we share this system with more than 300 users, we have some rules. You need to save your files only in your personal area or in a folder designated to your group. Any files that are saved in a shared area in the root of the shared folder will be deleted without further notice. So make sure all work is saved either in your personal area or in a folder designated to your group. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy your group work.